Yo, what's up traders? My name's Clay and I own Ronin Forex. In this video, super important video, and I couldn't be more excited about it. This is the Pro Trader Accelerator program. Some of you all who've been following me for a while know about this. I've been working on it for about half the year so far, and I've been trading and working with different funds, figure out what works, and figuring out what the best system is for success, how to get funded, how to get outside capital. A lot of people don't know about this. There are many different firms out there that will fund you as long as you pass the test, pass their challenges, pass their qualification process. And that's what I want to show you how to do in this video and in this system of trading that basically I've built up. We already have a few traders going through this program. They love it, and it's changing lives. If you could trade, learn how to trade, and then have somebody else give you $100,000 to trade with and not risk any of your capital, would you do that, right? So obviously this isn't for a beginner trader. This is for somebody who's already had success trading. Maybe you've already been through a qualification process and maybe lost the funding, right? Which is the biggest thing. The most important thing isn't just passing the challenge. It's passing the challenge and then having a system in place so you can keep the money, right? And keep growing it and not fail in the long run. Because you pass the challenge, you still have to follow the rules set in place in order to keep the funding. So it's not an easy task to do. I know that from experience for sure. But the good thing is I have a ton of experience with it now, and I want to show you, walk you hand in hand, right? Pretty much this is a one-on-one mentoring program, show you how to get funding, put the system in place so you can change your life and build. This will take you places that you never thought possible, and because so many people learn how to trade, but they only have $1,000, $1,500, and they're risking their whole capital, $2,000, $500, whatever it is, $10K. It's very, very hard to make consistent progress if you only have $1,200 because you get in a hole and you're like, dude, that's all the money I got, and a lot of people lose it. I've been through that before myself. It's a tough thing to go through. So getting outside capital to trade with is a game changer. You just have to follow the rules, become consistent, and become a professional. That's what this is all about. So what are you going to learn in the program? Number one, this is huge. Mindset for success. This is the game changer. 10% of trading is the technical analysis part. 90% is actually the mindset, destroying limiting beliefs, taking away the limiting beliefs, finding out what's important to you, finding out what your goals are, and putting in enough work to where you're like, you know what? I deserve this. I've earned this. So that's the thing. Most people haven't put in that work to where they're like, okay, I'll try out the challenge, see if I pass. But the thing is, we want you to put in enough work to where you're like, dude, I got this, man. I'm going to crush this challenge. I've earned it, right? So that's a different mindset than let me see if I pass the challenge and I'm going to just try it out, right? Which mindset do you think is going to win, right? So developing that mindset for belief, that mindset for success, and destroying limiting beliefs. If you don't do that, you're never going to last. This is the most important thing, and this is what is often usually skipped over as well. So 2, building a trading system for you. So this is where you and I will figure out what it is that works for you and what isn't working for you. This is huge, right? Because we want to strip away all the different strategies that don't work, that you haven't had that success, and then pinpoint, hey, you know what? I love double tops, or I love trading false breakouts, or I love trading the news. Maybe you do. Maybe you love trading fundamentals, right? Or, I like finding the best places where I can buy dips and sell rallies. These are all stuff I teach in my trading course. It's important you go through my training academy first, so we're on the same page. It's more or less a prerequisite, unless there's some special circumstance, but it's a prerequisite because we want to get on the same page, speaking the same language. And trust me, if you've done that course, then you'll be ready for this if you put in the work. And actually, in the course, I have a 90-day path to success. If you follow that 90-day path to success, finish it, then you will be ready for this course. But it's up to you to put in the work, for sure. I can't do it for you. I can't pass the challenge for you. I can't write in your journal for you. You have to be willing to become a professional. What does a professional do? They take it seriously and they do the work, right, if they want to be successful. So 3, journaling. So this, I just already touched about it. This is huge. Journaling your trades, journaling your mindset, and putting the system, the trading system that we find for you, putting that in place and then doing it over and over and over and over again. Repetition. So then your mind finds out exactly what the most opportune setups are and what you're most drawn to, whether it's a trend line break, whether it's a double top, whether it's a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and then just pinpointing that trade over and over and over again, right? So journaling is the way to do that. Every professional trader that I know keeps a journal. I do. And it's a game changer. And that's the thing. We want to take out the mystery of trading. And how do we do that? By making a trading system, writing down what it is we're doing, and getting the proper mindset for success. So we do these 3 things, which you'll be doing with me in the program. I have training videos that'll teach you exactly how best we do this. And then what do we start to develop? We start to develop consistency. Consistency is that's the elusive C word, right? Because every trader wants to become consistent, because if we're not consistent, we don't get any sleep, we're losing money, we're winning money. It's like a roller coaster, man, and it's not that much fun. It can actually be the opposite of fun and just too stressful, and it's almost, it's like gambling. So becoming consistent, so then once we pass the challenge, we can keep the funds that we get and continue to build on that and build on that and build on that. So we have the consistency. So number 5, this is what I'm super excited about. This is a group that I'm going to have. So if you're in my VIP group, you know about our chat group and all this stuff. We're starting a Ronin Elite Traders group, and this will be on Facebook. This will be very well organized. People that are in the Accelerator can post on it. They can share their profits for the day. They can share their journals. They can share their trading system. And then all the other members of the Accelerator group can help to lift each other up, talk about the markets, talk about their wins, talk about their losses, and support somebody if they do lose, because obviously this is trading. We do take losses, but if we have a community of other traders that are striving for the same thing to help lift you up, oh man, I mean, the success level is going to be from here to here, because now we have a community. If you're in my VIP group, you know about the community I've already created. It's the best vibes that you'll find in any trading group, and what we're going to do is cultivate that in this elite group of traders, people that are they've already been crushing it. Now it's time to go to the next level. An amazing community of brothers and sisters that want to help lift each other up and see everybody win, because that's what I want to do. So super excited about the Ronin Elite group. It's going to be an amazing thing. I'll be going live in there and maybe finding other traders, interviewing the traders that are in there, and seeing your progress and helping everybody just rise to the best version of themselves. And then last but not least, what are we going to get as a result of the program? If you put in the work, then you're ready for the testing process. And like I said, I can't go through the test for you, but I'm obviously there to support you. And if you do all these things, you will be more than ready to crush this test and take it to the next level. Have that confidence, have that mindset, have the trading system in place. You're writing in your journal, you're consistent, and you have the Ronin Elite Trader Group to help lift you up and support you as you go through this funding process. So this is going to be and is a winning formula for success, taking out the mystery of how to become a professional trader and just systemizing it and putting all these pieces together so you're ready to take it to the next level. Have me as a mentor and really, really just change your life. If you get 100K funding, you do 10% your first month, that is $10,000 plus with the fund we're working for, you'd be able to keep 70% of your profits. that's $7,000, right? And so 10% is a pretty modest target. There's a lot of people that are doing 20% in my group, or having a 30% month, or low, right? 5%, whatever it is. These are life-changing numbers. And if you live in, I mean, 7K a month from trading in the United States is more than most people make. But if you live in a country like Colombia or Portugal or Holland, you know, these European countries that are more socialist, right? Not many people are making this kind of money, right? So this is life-changing all around for all the people that are in it. If you are ready for the program, if you've been through my training academy, like I said, this isn't for beginners. If you are a beginner, that's okay, man. Now you have a goal to go through to really put in the work. It's not like you're like, okay, I'm learning. I would recommend you don't even trade your own money. I recommend you go through the academy on a demo account, really practice the demo trading, then go through the demo account, learning our system here once you are ready to go to the next level, and then try to qualify for the outside funding, which you will be ready for if you go through this program, and then you haven't even risked your capital and had the heartbreaking loss of losing thousands and thousands of dollars like most of us have, and you know, including myself. It's not a place you want to be. It sucks. So doing this is a way, and if you're watching this video and you've been in my VIP group, you already know what I'm talking about. So this is an opportunity for you to take it to the next level, get some funding outside of your own capital, and make a new impression on your life, and turn this year around, right? Turn this year around and really take your life to the next level, take your trading to the next level, take your mindset to the next level, and really this could be the turning point in your life where everything changes, right? Because now we have a goal, we can become a professional, we can make a dream into a reality. Most of the people that join want to make a career out of this. So this is an opportunity to do that, and also be a part of an elite traders group, make some friends from all around the world, and really lock arms and just crush it at life. So if you're interested in this, shoot me a message. We'll interview, you'll talk to me. I'll see if you're ready, and if you are, man, I'm super excited for you, for one. And two, if you're not, then it's okay. It's not like I'm going to be upset with you. I'm happy for anybody who wants to take their life to the next level. And then you have a goal to shoot for and something to strive for. So if that interests you, shoot me a message. This is huge. I'm super excited about it. And thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Peace.